So this is going to be just a real quick update video because I'm trying to get this smaller car going because the gas for the van means I have less money to spend on the mech. And the car runs, it's just that the jack stand sunken to the ground and it's keeping the car from going anywhere. So in the next few days I'm going to be getting a couple car dollies and pushing it out and over the jack stand, which should do the trick. I will probably also be getting those big pneumatic casters I mentioned earlier to replace these with something a bit more sturdy. And I've been working on something for the hand that will be really neat. Just let me move this tarp aside. Knuckles. Little gold embellishment. Some line work. Some on the palms. And on the front side. So it looks a little more like a mech and less like a skeleton. I'm going to put probably some black stretchy fabric over these. And then maybe like some individual, like little knuckle plates made out of this thin metal. So that should make it look more giant robot hand-like. I am currently working on fabricating the new parallelogram piece for the shoulder. It's just that my drill ran out of batteries, so I gotta wait for it to charge up again. And I can finish installing and fabricating that. Seem to be getting a bit of snowfall every day, and then it melts by the afternoon, only to be replaced again. So Marduk is all covered up. Well, if you enjoyed this little update video, not much mech in it, but if you enjoyed it anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Then I will see you next time. Bye-bye.